explain. Here you go.
Now, this is good. We can cook this. It's a nice, fresh farm egg. I cannot wait to eat it. Except, how am I going to eat it? I do not have anything to cook it in.
Oh, well, I got that too. I brought along my handy-dandy frying pan.
Now, this is another step. Except, you cannot cook the egg. We need heat. And I'm not fond of raw eggs. Well,
I've got heat. Get cooking.
these eggs are going to be amazing. I'm going to make an omelet.
Omelette. Who said we were having an omelette? I want scrambled eggs.
We should have an omelet scrambled. This is what scrambled looks like. We're going to have to clean that up.
Oh, I'm cracking up right now. Get it? That's okay, I brought some spares. To make scrambled eggs.
No. Scrambled eggs are too extreme, as you can tell. I prefer omelets. I
Go to the last straw.
Okay.
Love this.
You can cook. Actually, I think cooking separate isn't really working out.
We should work together.
That's unexact. Exact. Are we gonna? There.
Out of this world.
I guess you can say they're gonna be extraterrestrial.
Sunny side up is definitely the way to go.
There's gonna be a bit of shell on our eggs. But overall, I think these eggs are gonna be extraordinary.